welcome back to the channel of
Mamshi and
Trisans.
So tonight, what are we going to do?
We're going to do a dance challenge.
Yung sikat ngayon na sayaw kikay.
Yes, gusto try lang namin just for fun.
And by the way, tawag nito,
We will
na-miss namin kayo lahat guys. Medyo matagal-tagal din tayo nakapag-chika-chika.
Nakapag-chismis.
Yes, because syempre may dumating na bagyo. And syempre na ano yung people dito sa lugar namin. And hindi naman kami masyadong na safe naman kami.
Safe.
Kasi yung bagyo is medyo tumingis na ako. So okay naman ang
At sana safe din kayo.
So yun lang guys. And saka pala, gusto ko palang i-shout out yung aking friend na palaging nanonood ng aming video na si Jason Oliva.
Thank you for watching.
And then,
Loyals.
Yes.
And then we would like to shout out.
Yes.
We would like to shout out to Jezreel Valenzuela and Joshua Dawson, my classmate.
Wow!
Hi guys.
Hi Jezreel.
Hi,
And
Jezreel.
Dawson.
So, gusto ko rin yung din aking palaging nanonood is si Miss Annalyn Bajola Sardala.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for
Thank
watching
you.
and Hasmin and family.
Yeah.
And
Really
sa aking
appreciate.
mga aking sister sa Yuta and mga
Tita
relatives sa relatives.
My relatives.
My relatives.
Canada,
Family.
Sa ibang lugar,
Yeah.
nakapit na sila yung
No.
PG. And sa lahat.
Sa lahat ng people, maraming
Yes.
salamat din po.
And
Thank
sa
you
lahat na
guys.
nag-subscribe sa
Salamat.
amin. Sa
We would like to
nag-support sa
celebrate.
amin, guys. Thank you very much.
We appreciate.
Madali na tayong mag-1K, guys. So, tulungan nyo naman na kayo. And don't forget to
Yes.
like, share, subscribe also. And pag naka-1K tayo, siguro dapat mag-giveaway na tayo.
Wow.
Kahit konting,
Abangan nyo na lang
konting
yan
ano
guys.
lang, kahit simple.
Pero wag nyo naman expect na pabongga-bongga.
Oo,
Simple
kasi-
naman. Simple.
Siyempre.
Tapos,
Share.
tapos,
We're just going to share our blessings.
tapos, nandito lang si mga ano namin, si mga different social media platforms, di ba?
Yes.
Sa Instagram, follow us on Instagram,
YouTube.
iris.vargas.12.
YouTube and
Our
to
Facebook
Facebook,
page.
Mamshi and Trisans.
So, don't forget to like our page.
Yeah.
So, ayan na guys, panoorin nyo ang aming sayaw. Kika!
Yes.
Guys, we're ready.
We're ready. Ready for
Are you
it.
ready?
Yes!
So, let's do this.
Oh, cute.
Ayan, gabi-gabi na sumasayaw tayo.
Exercise lang. Like exercise. No.
Exercise sa gabi.
So that was very fun. And
Yes.
nakaka-engage talaga sa mga...
Hope you guys enjoy it.
Sana guys,
Sana.
nahinga kami nito.
Yes.
Wait lang, yes.
Hindi nyo mapapansin natin kami nakapajamas.
Nakapajamas kami,
Kasi
guys.
may
Tapos,
malamig na and matutulog
tapos,
na
naka-
after this.
Naka-gray kami. Team pati.
Yes,
Gray.
Team Gray!
Joke. Ayun lang. So, sana guys, na-enjoy yung watch ng video.
Well, once again, thank you for watching
our video.
To like,
share,
subscribe.
Bye!
Bye guys! See you!